हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक है रिक्रूटमेंट नॉन टीचिंग पोस्ट विश्व भारती यूनिवर्सिटी। एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर 2/2021 dated 28 January 2021. Vishwa Bharati is a central university and an institution of national importance invites applications for the following post. Name of the post, category. Registrar 1 unreserved. Finance officer 1 unreserved. Principal Shikshatra 1 unreserved. Internal audit officer on deputation basis 1 unreserved. Chief security officer 1 unreserved. Estate officer 1 unreserved. Assistant engineer electrical 1 OBC category. Assistant engineer civil / water work 1 unreserved. Junior engineer electrical 1 ST category. Junior engineer civil / water work 1 unreserved category. Assistant librarian 1 unreserved category. Professional assistant 1 SC category. Semi-professional assistant 1 OBC category. System programmer 2 post 1 OBC category and 1 unreserved category. Data entry operator 1 unreserved category. Computer assistant 3 posts 3 unreserved category. Sanitary inspector sanitation 1 unreserved category. Laboratory assistant 7 post 2 OBC category, 4 unreserved category and 1 EWS. Security inspector watch and ward section 1 unreserved category. Field organizer social work 1 unreserved category. Note for post serial number 2 and 4, those who applied against advertisement number 1/2020 dated 20 June 2020 will be automatically considered for this recruitment process. As such, they need not apply afresh against this advertisement. They may send updated biodata if they wish with necessary supporting documents. Self attested. Pay scale serial number 1 and 2 लिखा है. Pay scale serial number 3, 4, 5. Pay scale serial number 11. Pay scale serial number 7, 8, 9, 7. Sorry. Pay scale serial number 6, 7, 8, 14. Pay scale serial number 9, 10, 12. उसके बाद है serial number. उसके बाद age limit. Serial number 1 and 2 preferably below 57 years. Serial number 3 minimum 35 years and maximum 50 years. Serial number 4 below 56 years. Serial number 5 preferably below 50 years. Serial number 6 ordinarily below 35 years. Serial number 7 and 8 40 years. Serial number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19, 20 35 years. Serial number 15, 16 and 18 30 years. उसके बाद है essential qualification. Serial number 1, 2. Essential qualification 3 for serial number 3. 3. Educational and other qualification for serial number 4. इधर सभी लिखा है। Essential qualification for serial number 6, serial number 7, essential qualification for serial number 8, essential qualification for serial number 9, 10, 11, essential qualification for serial number 12, 13, essential qualification for serial number 14, essential qualification for serial number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. General condition for the recruitment. Vishwabharati reserved the right not to fill up the vacancies if circumstances so warrant. Candidates must fulfill essential qualification and experience on the date of applications. All educational qualifications must have been obtained from recognized university institute which are approved recognition by the UGC MOE. ये सब लिखा है, देख लीजिए। एज रिलैक्सेशन में बी गिवन एज पर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रूल्स। उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट, कैंडिडेट्स ऑलरेडी in employment of government, autonomous body, university, other government funded bodies shall apply through proper channel or submit formal no objection certificate during interview if called for. They may, however, send an advance copy of the applications. Advance copy of application. Availability of application form. Application form can be downloaded from university website www.vishwabharati.ac.in. Prescribed application fee should be sent through online through SBI Collect module under State Bank of India. See guideline given below. Generated receipt should be enclosed with filled up application form. देखिए ये नीचे भी लिखा है SBI कलेक्ट का जो मॉड्यूल है कैसे पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा, फीस को कैसे पेमेंट करेंगे। वो सिलेक्ट पेमेंट गेट कैटेगरी है मिसलेनियस रिसिप्ट, उसमें पेमेंट करना पड़ेगा। कितना फीस, एप्लीकेशन फीस application fee non-refundable. For level 14 rupees 2000, for level 12 rupees 1600, for level 10 rupees 1200, for level 6 rupees 1000, for level 5 and 4 rupees 500. Women candidate and physically handicapped candidates handicapped 40% or above are exempted from paying fees. Attested copy of certificate issued by appropriate authority is to be submitted for such concessions exemptions. SC/ST category shall pay only 25% of the above application fee. नीचे duly filled in original application, one set of self-attested photocopies of mark sheet, certificates and other testimonials, two recent passport size photograph with applicant's full signature at the bottom, receipt generated after payment through SBI Collect module of required value towards application fee in case form is downloaded from website, shall be sent to the Assistant Registrar Recruitment, Vishwabharati, Shantiniketan District, Birbhum, PIN 731235, West Bengal. Last date for submission of filled in application forms is 27 February 2021. लास्ट डेट है 27 February 2021 before 6 p.m. The university will not be responsible for any postal delay. Application received after last date will not be accepted. ये आप विश्व भारती का जो वेबसाइट है उधर देख सकते हैं, उधर भी आप जो फॉर्म है वो डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद पूरा फिलअप करने के बाद वो भेज दीजिए। लास्ट डेट है 27 February 2021। थैंक यू।